Welcome to Conneqt 2023. It's pretty humbling, frankly, to stand here this year and see so many more faces.
Good morning, San Diego. Welcome to Conneqt 2023. We are so fortunate and honored to be here with all of you this week.
I am so glad that you've chosen to join us to network and engage and learn how to catalyze your efforts to make a bigger impact.
Data is unique because it's one of the few resources that gets more valuable as you use it.
You probably heard that term, data is the new oil.
If you think about what we are doing here at Conneqt, it's learning.
Probably almost all of you have some form of monitoring that you're doing with Seeq today, and we want to lean in.
Different industries, different use cases, one common theme, how we partnered together with Seeq to deploy digital transformation.
Please go forth and catalyze that change. Be brave, and I'll see you all next year in Miami.
Something that I love about Seeq. I love the community that we're building. I encourage you, dream bigger and be the catalyst.